For any teacher, it's very important to know how to see the learning path of any student for any subject. Once you have created a class, or you know that a class already exists because of PowerSchool rostering, decide the subject area you want to look at for your students in that class. Again, this can be any teacher. For example, you may teach PE, but if you have a class created with students selected, you can see the learning paths for those students in math, reading, and language arts. Click on a subject, and under the overview, look for current activities for the learning paths. Click current activities. Again, no matter what you teach, when you click on the subject, you will see the students of the class and what they are currently working on in their learning path. Here are some learning paths for these 3 students. If you would like to see a different class in the same subject area, come up to the center here and drop down those classes. Choose your other class you'd like to see. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see those students and their learning paths listed to the right in the rows. This allows you to see the skills that they were given to start off at this point in their learning path, followed by the progress check that they can do once they have completed all the elements of these skills. So no matter what you teach, you can see where the student is, because this learning path is assigned to this student no matter who you are as a teacher. It follows the student, not the teacher. From here, you may dig deeper into the skills to understand better what the students are doing. Let's click on Plot and Conflict to see what I mean. A shelf pops up and allows you to take a look at what they're working on in their learning path, as well as the standards. Sometimes there'll be additional resources listed for you, the teacher. To close the shelf, at the right, click Close. Again, you can see all the students and their specific learning paths for that subject by clicking Current Activities. Another option is Knowledge Map. This gives you a slightly different view of their learning path by their grade level, as well as by domain and skill. This one streams to the left and right. This has been how to view a student's learning path.